Commander, do you remember when the universe wasn't filled with peace?
I do, Captain. Why?
Hey guys, how's it going? What y'all up to? I'm gonna show you my secret about your species. I'm gonna expand it, okay?
Die, space scum! Die!
Die!